This is the biggest cutty I've ever caught by far.
Big bites, big bites, big bites, big bites, big bites.
For sure. Holy.
Dude, this could be a state record.
Let's go.
over here.
There we go. Oh! Keep getting these bites and they just pop off. Come on, baby. Big riser. She's a cutters.
Nice.
Yeah, little Cutty.
Nice, dude. Wow.
Okay, get him, get him.
Dang. Woo,
Let's
that's
go.
A nice one. Atta boy.
Hell yeah.
Dang. Woo. It's a big cut. Nice. Michael just caught a cut using a tube jig.
Jig was trying to get him on the dry all night, but we're coming up for it, I guess. But oh, she's squirmy.
Nice, dude. Good catch. Good catch.
That was a beautiful cut. We've been struggling here for a while, so this is nice.
Yeah, dude. Wow, that was like.
That's a nice cut.
Wow, nice color.
All right, I'm gonna put her back. She's cold.
Good catch. Let's go. Nice, dude.
Yes.
Boy.
Needed that.
Whew.
Awesome. Whew. Dude, this one's way bigger than the other one. Let's go.
Wow.
Yeah, this is a nice cutty.
Nice. Grab the net.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Cutty tonight, baby. Come on.
Oh, it's a monster. Yeah. All right, man. Holy crap. Dude, look at that. That's a beast. That is a beast, dude. Holy
That's one of my best cutties I've ever got here.
That thing is nice,
Let's
man.
go. All right, here, I'll start getting the hook out. Oh, baby, thank you.
Wow.
That is a nice one.
Nice catch, dude. Phil's gonna be so rattled. That's, I think, the biggest one I've seen out of here. Dang.
Yeah.
Holy cow. That was like within 5 minutes, not even. What, like a couple minutes? Wow. Night bite is hot.
This is probably one of, if not the biggest, the second biggest cutty I've ever got here. It's like almost pitch black outside. Got him on the tube jig. Woo.
Wow, that is a hog, dude.
Look at that. The thing's, I mean, just in reference. That's
nice. All right. Yeah, we're gonna get him in the water.
Let her go. Say goodbye. Love you, fishy. Thank you.
That's a shark. She's all right. There she goes. Wow. Good catch.
Thanks.
Michael just got another hit, dude.
This is the biggest cutty I've ever caught by far. This thing is huge.
Dude.
I thought I was snagged for sure. Holy. My drag is
Watch
like all the way up.
profanity.
It's about to pull my line out.
All right, I'm getting the net.
Holy, look at.
Dude, this could be a state record.
Look at.
Wow.
Watch it rip my line. Look at that.
Is he pulling you out?
I'm gonna
You might have to adjust your drag.
Dude, he's
Wow.
This thing is a
Holy
freaking boulder.
cow,
Holy
man.
crap.
Yeah, make sure your drag's not too light though.
I'm gonna have to let him run a little bit.
Holy crap, dude.
This
is a monster.
Besides that lake trout I caught this winter, this is the biggest trout I've ever caught.
Dude, you catch big fish. Wow.
They just
Oh
love
my gosh.
They love the crawdad tube jigs. I don't know, man. All right, make sure you're ready for this.
Yeah, we got the net ready.
Okay, I'm gonna bring him in. Ready?
Okay. Yeah. Holy crap.
Oh,
Drowning. It's a big boy.
for a second.
I see. Holy crap.
Okay, ready?
Oh, nice, dude. Dude, he inhaled it. Good catch, bro.
Let's go.
Nice.
Yes.
Dang. That thing, the one you just caught was actually bigger, I think.
Let's go. These
Oh.
cutties are so nice here.
Crazy. That's a giant. This is a nice one. Yeah, I thought the way he was fighting, dude, that thing seemed like it was twice as big as the last one. Oh, wow. 3 cutthroat in like a span of 20 minutes, dude.
Look at that. That's probably, what? How big's my foot?
That's probably like a
Just for
14
reference.
incher, 15.
About my foot and a half. I got size 13 shoes.
Yeah, that's probably like a 15-inch cutthroat.
Yeah.
It's a big
Strong
boy.
cutty.
Yeah. Woo-wee. There he goes. They are active.
Oh.
Super active right
3
now.
monster cutties in like 15 minutes.
That's crazy.
That is fun.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go, baby. Another big cutty. Same time, it's about 8 p.m. right now. Just munching the tube jigs. Just a beautiful fish. There's a bite. Come and take it. Come and take it. Yep, there we go. There we go. No. Oh, got a big one. Big old cutty, baby. Let's go. Oh yeah, he's bouncing me. Let's keep him on this time. Getting heavy bites here. They just crank on it. Feel like boulders. It's about 8:30 at night. Sun's gone down already. About 8 cutties on. That's a big hefty bite. Come on. Big bites, big bites, big bites, big bites, big bites. Huge bites. Cutty chompers. Hands are freezing. It's 30 degrees. Almost 9 o'clock. High in the mountains. Come on, buddy. There she